At first glance, this bird looks totally normal, but just wait till you hear what it sounds like. Looks like you stumbled on this video for a reason. Maybe today's your lucky day. Don't forget to like, comment lucky below, and subscribe for more good vibes. Now back to the video. Yep, that's not a scream from a horror movie, that's actually this bird's voice. It's called the Piha, and it sounds like it's trying to summon the forest spirits. No one really knows why it makes that noise, but hey, nature's got jokes.